All right, here we go, everybody. This is for the $200 gift card for Chrissy. Here is the list of names already copied and pasted over all 20 entries. Come down here and type live and get the show on the road. Current time is 4:31, 4:31, 4:31, and 4:31. We are in Elite, so we got to go 7 times. We have Kenny, Fred, Jason, Nicholas, Jordan, Nicholas, Mark, Nicholas, Jason, Nicholas, George, Nicholas, Fred, Nicholas, Jason, Mark, George, Mark, Ryan, and Ryan. 7 times as always. Good luck. We have Nicholas after 1, Mark, Jason, George. After 6 we have Nicholas. Last and final, good luck. Ryan in the 19 spot. Congratulations, Ryan. HAMXDP is the verification code. We are done. Current time 4:32, 4:32, 4:32, and 4:32. Once again, HAMXDP is verification code.